Two ways to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, you will see first option is Connections. So click on Connections. So if you want to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi, you will see first option is Wi-Fi. So if you want to turn off Wi-Fi, so turn off this button, you will see Wi-Fi is turned off. So if you want to turn on Wi-Fi, so turn on this button, you will see Wi-Fi is turned on. So this second way is turn on or turn off Wi-Fi. Go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on Open Control Center. Now here, so you will see Wi-Fi mode is here. So if you want to turn off Wi-Fi mode, so click on this icon, you will see Wi-Fi mode is turned off. So if you want to turn on Wi-Fi, so turn on, click on this icon, you will see Wi-Fi is turned on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can two ways to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.